Hi, good morning. When you are managing a large number of asset or facilities, and especially when the facilities are in wide area and different location, you actually have a team of maintenance technician or maintenance staff trying to help you doing the maintenance. Then you realize that without a system, it will be a nightmare. When you manage facilities or the asset, you will see that the first thing that you need to do is you will have a lot of complaint from your users, correct? This thing is not working, this thing is faulty, why this thing is not done, why all that complaint need to be recorded. So if you don't have a system to record your complaint, then some of this complaint will fall down the crack and your customers will get very upset. And that's why you need to have a system to manage your complaint management. And you as the boss, for example, would also need to know whether how many complaints are there, has it been done, has it been checked, what is the status of the complaint. And then you also need to look at the work order management or corrective maintenance. Means that some of the complaint would be valid complaint that you would manage, you must manage the corrective maintenance. Means that who is supposed to do that, what are the spares being used, what is the cost to do that corrective maintenance, who is doing that, when they do it, are they within the KPI, are they within the number of hours, the one that is allocated for that particular work. And that require a system. If you don't have a system, and all that information will not be recorded, and you would not know what is the status of the work on that job. And the third thing is there are, when you do maintenance, for example, there are many things that you don't have to wait for the complaint from the user. You actually do things on the schedule basis so that it will not go wrong. You don't have to wait until that thing go faulty. For example, when you have a car, you change your loop oil based on certain schedule in terms of how many kilometer or how many months since the last time. So the same thing like your aircon, for example, you replace or you clean the air filter at certain every couple of months. Now this is called schedule maintenance. This schedule maintenance also need to be scheduled and also need to be checked whether it has been done, how much it costs you, and you would have the total cost or the total work being done on the maintenance, on the schedule maintenance. When you have all this, you realize that you also need to build up your asset database, which means that you would know what are the assets under your care, what is the current book value for your asset, and then how much maintenance cost that you have spent for each and every asset that you have. So by having all this information, you would have data to analyze your maintenance cost or maintenance schedule or maintenance frequency, and all these statistics will help you to manage your asset management better. So there are many things that you could do because of the latest available technology. For example, the mobile technology will allow you to have immediate information on that particular asset, the location of the asset, the picture of the asset, and who complained, what date, and what time automatically being updated inside the system. So by using this kind of system, when, for example, when somebody complain and you have taken care of the complaint, the status of that work can automatically be given to the people that complain, which means that the way you manage your maintenance is very efficient. You actually get to receive data immediately from those who complain. When you have updated the progress, the person that complained also immediately get the status of the progress, and everything is recorded. So basically, if you are still managing your asset maintenance using the I think this is a good time for you to look at how a system can help you to manage your facilities maintenance better, more efficiently, more effectively. See you in the next video on how the system can help you to manage your maintenance better. Thank you, and see you in next video.